One perfect love, everybody. Blessings, welcome to the new episode. You know where me there? You don't know. Me the right under the apple tree. Apple tree red up. Be apple coulda. Be apple in our tree. You know? So what me do? Because I look on the ground. This apple just dip on the ground like trouble. So I pick some. Can't see the apple tree I go on, so I just not take none, you know. So I get some apple, you know. Don't know, I go head on up to the farm. So yeah, how much blessings in the tree, man. Yeah, man. So when I go up on the farm, linking up again. Jano people coming in on the farm. I see two goat, one goat tie up here so and look like a kid them over here so. But I see the kid them in the tomato, man. Like them eat the tomato, so I have to go check that out if they eat all the tomato them star. Man, I'm not sure how I goat them to, you know. Let me just check on the croppings. See them there? Two kids. I'm over the tomato section, so John, let's check on the tomato real quick. Oh, okay, the tomato still look lively. Look like them not eat tomato. They might eat everything else around it, so give thanks for that. John, that's all I'm going to start. So, John, I think so the goat them no whole like tomato. So, yeah, see them there? Can look like, you can see so them need some water now, so I'll look on my shadow a bit. Yeah. Looking good still. The one that chop off. Man, I could have chopped off a leaf like that. I don't have no caterpillar there on it. So yeah, I definitely need to get some neem oil. Not just the leaf. I need the neem oil, the concentrated oil, add it to the water, spray them. That we need for do so. Through there in Jamaica, them things they kind of hard to find. So I have to just find it. So yeah, we're there on the farm right now, man. So I don't know how to do the works. Because today I do want to plant some popcorn. So, cause my wife, she loves popcorn, you know, so I see if I can sort that out for her. So yeah, so we'll get back to you now. Yeah, I just get some water. I'm gonna say I water them tomato and the strawberry and then go up to the seed bed. I'm gonna plant the popcorn. You know, so I put it up on a tripod. So you can go and pray. Yeah, so that's the tomato. So I'm gonna do the strawberry and the seed bed next. Yeah, we do up on the strawberry bed, and I'm just gonna show you how it look right now. So them look green and nice. Remember this one was flowering. Couple more flowering coming too. Alright. This one now with the fruits. Is it two strawberry down here, people? Strawberry. It's the first time seeing strawberry fruit up to, you know, so yeah man. Water the thing them. Flower nice. These one more them flourishing. You can see, okay, look like flower coming on this one now, you know. I'll get out of the light. You can see that? The flowers coming on this one as well. How this stay? Not sure yet, but yeah. Come on. So we have some strawberry for munch. Make some smoothie and thing, you know. And the thing with strawberry coming like banana. It spring off, it have offspring. So you just a shoot off and strawberry just a create. So one plant you can get many different yields out of it. Alright. The ones on this side not doing so good at all. Super small. Give them out to see anyway. Yeah. Man. Alright, you see these strawberry with the fruits? I'm going to get some of this banana trash. See if I can put it under the fruit. So when the fruit come, it have a nice surface, not the dirt, you know? So I guess I don't need much. Yeah man, so make the fruit rest on the banana. Yeah man. Alright, I'll go for the seed bed now. So come again. Yeah, we're up at the seed bed now, as you can see. So before I water the seed bed, I'm going to plant the popcorns now. So I'm going to deal with that in this location. So we have the carrot and cucumber here, and just put it to the left of it. And many people asking why I just don't plant it in the field and let it grow there instead of making a seed bed. Well, the reason I'm doing a seed bed format is because through its drought season, it is best to just do them one place so we can water everything at one place, and the small plant won't be in the harsh sun, you know, so that would be too harsh for the plant so early. So most of them wouldn't make it, especially in the drought season. So it's good to plant it under a shade, you know, where it get morning sun, and so the afternoon sun and evening sun won't bother it. So it's just basically morning sun it get, and that would be enough for the plant. I don't know, it still get light throughout the day now, but most of the sunlight come from the morning, and the morning sunlight is the best sunlight for the farm and the plants, you know. So yeah, that's why I do the seed bed format. So I just do all of the popcorn one place and like this, so when them grow big enough and then can hold themselves in the strong heat and the sun, that is when we go plant them out. So enough of them things are so them need for plant out now, you know. So even the cucumber, the insects messing with them, so I wonder how that will go to. I really need the neem oil, man. Cause usually them there the health food stores, the neem oil, so I will try to get it. So yeah, I put up on a tripod and you see me do a little time lapse of clearing the area and basically getting the bed ready and planting the seeds. So yeah, so come to you again, taking the time lapse. Yeah, so you know how we do it, man. Usually I bring my hoe, but we don't have my hoe today, so I just have to use the machete and make the best out of it, you know. But I'm going to the bird's eye view, you know. So we're going to do it. Forgive me with the camera shots, cause you don't know me, I work on a whole camera same time. So, yeah. So creating a seed bed not difficult, especially if you have a hoe. And look how I use the machete. So you just want a nice fluffy bed, you know? Fluffy and nice. Yeah. Just basically make it the same size as the next one. You know, same line, so we can keep a nice order. And then just chop up them the hard ones, you know. So yeah, this got the seed bed ready. Because I just corn where I plant popcorn, you know. Corn is a fairly easy plant to catch. Yeah. Yes, Father. Some nice movement that, you know, like a workout. Get the hand muscle moving, back muscle working, all the muscle moving up. So yeah, we have the peanut. Even about the peanut, the popcorn. Alright. Can see them here in our little bag here. Popcorn, you know. So yeah, we just plant them out. And not no hard. You just want them to have a little space from each other. So just, you know, drop them little about the place. Make them have a little space and kind of do it in a row. So too much over this side. Alright. My wife love popcorn, you know. She love it. So I say instead of we buy popcorn all the time, why not plant it? You know? So yeah. Simple as that. Have one popcorn. Don't need to be buying that from the supermarket, man. You know, so the technique I'm gonna use this time is just where you see the can, just cover them little. You don't want them too deep. You know? Slightly cover them. You know? I wonder if you can see what I'm doing. And just where they are, just push them in the soil. Like this little part look rough. And as you go along you can just clean out and just break up the soil same time. You know? And even the same leaves, the little leaves in it, it's nice nutrients for the plant same way. Yeah. So it's basically make sure them go in the dirt now. Alright, so anywhere I see the corn on the surface, just slightly cover it. Right, to this side. So you see the hard stuff, just break them up. Break it up, just break it up. And take out the big debris. Alright, I'll see a little spot here. So you see, just take them, push it down, push it down, push it down. You don't want it more than an inch. If it past inch, that's too much. You want give the corn enough space so it can grow out of the dirt. It cannot grow in the dirt, it have to grow out of it. You know, so yeah. So simple as that. Popcorn is planted. You understand? Yeah, I don't see any more exposed corn, so that is it. So the final process now, get the water. And just wet up the seed bed now. Popcorn. Popping corn. Yeah. Cause not to lie, I love popcorn too. But not as much as my wife. So I'm gonna enjoy this one. So I'm gonna see the progress on these. Remember, just like the peanuts and the other seed bed. Take a little while for shoot out, but when it shoot man. Right. Yeah. Make sure the bed get proper water. And yeah, me one down here today, me and God. So now me and God and me angel, you see it? I don't know. The Father smile upon the works. Especially when you don't boast upon it. So all glory to the Most High. Him give us strength so we can do them things. All glory to the Most High. Yeah. Since it's the first time we water in this bed, we just make sure to get proper amount of water. Alright, after watering it, some of them were exposed. Some just make sure them under, push them down. Push them in, you know, not too far. Yeah, don't think I see any more exposed. Ah, here's one. Okay. Okay. And yeah, now we water the rest of the seed bed. I'm showing you the update. The peanuts that I planted the other day. Look at them, man. Beautiful. Man, you see how the ashes just make wonders. And yeah, I have the one herb plant, the medicine. Yeah. And we're checking on the garlics that we plant the other day, see them here. So you're going to take a time for them really settle in and start push out. So yeah, showing you the progress on that as well. So Alright, for the seed bed, me not show no me water in the seed bed. We just deal with it and then get back to Yeah, everybody, finish water the seed bed, finish water everything. Yeah, we plant popcorn today. Give thanks. So we'll see the progress on that. So yeah, I'll close it off here for the day. Thanks for watching everybody. One perfect love. Blessings.